So this is the Particles Homework Booklet question 18, and we're asked first of all to give an example of an exchange particle other than a W plus or W minus and state the fundamental force involved when it is produced. So the options would be Z naught for the weak interaction, the weak naught force, the weak nuclear force, a gluon, or specifically a pion for the strong nuclear force, the strong interaction, virtual photons for the electromagnetic interaction, or the graviton for gravity. Any one of those pairs. We're asked what the role of those exchange particles, what roles they can play in interaction. Perhaps most importantly and most obviously, they transfer the force. We refer to it often as mediating the force. They will also transfer energy. They will, in some cases, transfer charges, depending on which that is. So a W plus, W minus transfers charge, as will some of the pions, photons, gravitons, and some of the other pions won't. Number Z0. We've got a list of properties. This is a really important learning question again. From the list of properties, can you identify all examples of hadrons? Hadrons, anything that experiences a strong nuclear force, in essence, anything which isn't a, from this list, anything that isn't a lepton. So the proton, the antineutrino, and the pion are all hadrons. The first two being baryons, the pion being a meson. Identifying the leptons, again, you just need to know that neutrinos are leptons, that electrons and therefore positrons are leptons, and that muons are leptons. The antiparticles, well, the antineutrino is the very obvious one, and E plus, the positron, is the antiparticle of the electron, so that would be an antiparticle as well. And finally, the charged particles, those with charge. Well, a proton is charged, the neutron isn't, the clue's in the name, I guess. The neutrino isn't, again, clue's in the name. E plus, there you go, plus, it's charged. Mu minus, yep, that's charged. Pi naught, no. Obviously, a pi plus, pi minus would have been charged, but it's a pi zero, uncharged. So, straightforward learning there, really, and that for you is the Particles Homework Booklet question 18.